Student Room Group is formed around one main website, which is thestudentroom.co.uk, which is now the world's largest student community site. All of our sites are based around services for students. So we have a couple of satellite sites. One's called markedbyteachers.com and the other one's called getrevising.co.uk. The reason we first started looking for a conversion rates consultant was as a company, or one of our websites, should I say, had taken a hit from the Panda release, which meant a serious loss in traffic for us, which culminated eventually in a serious loss in revenue. I was given a recommendation of PRWD, so I kind of checked them out online and gave them a call. In the initial first 4 months of our engagement with them, our conversion rates grew from 0.14% all the way up to 0.25%. So that's a 78% increase in conversion rate over that time. PRWD have really introduced a culture of testing and learning within the company. The testing culture within our company has got to such an extent now that if we're not testing, it feels like there's something wrong. And that's something that PRWD really brought to the table. Was we have a wealth of information at our fingertips, but interpreting that properly and using that information to build a list of hypotheses and tests that could improve not only the user experience but also the conversion rate. We've gone from really small tests where we change a couple of words within a bracket to huge tests where we've basically taken a sledgehammer to the page and rebuilt from the ground up. A concept called collaborative sketching is something that's been introduced to us during this engagement. And that's where a team of us will, round the table, sit together and sketch out what we think this page should look like. We'll then all put our sketches together and kind of critique each other's sketches. From that, we go away, we do another round of sketching, come back together and basically distill it to the final version of the page that we're going to put into design and build. As a company, we were so impressed with the impact that PRWD had on Marked by Teachers that we were able to quite easily make the decision to push that same model out across the suite of our sites. We have really grand plans of how we'd like to expand as a company, and as far as we can see it at the moment, PRWD are key to that process.